Hi, Jill Bienenstock here. Last week we talked about loose parts. This week we're going to talk about woodworking. My kids loved the loose parts last week so much, and they made obstacle courses and forts, and this week they said, can we make something? So I said, sure. We got out our drill and they drilled for a couple hours. Sam made a platform for his bearded dragon and Leo made furniture for his fort. It was very exciting. When you start off with woodworking, I find that it's a lost art for many kids. They just don't get those opportunities. What you want to do is you want to create a location in your backyard where woodworking can happen. I took this old table that we've had for probably about 10 years, and I just put some plywood on it to make it sturdier. And now we can put a vise on the end, and it's nice and hard, and it's got what it needs to do drilling and hammering on. So once you have your location, now you have to figure out what type of tools you're going to introduce to your kids. It's great to introduce one tool at a time. This week we're going to talk about the hammer. Next week we're going to talk about the manual drill. And the following week we'll talk about whittling using vegetable peelers and some freshly cut sticks.